Good morning, good morning, good morning, good
Good morning, good morning, good morning.
Good evening, good evening. I am so happy right now. I am just leaving my appointment. I just got my hair retightened. I will show you what the back of my hair looks like right now, but it feels so. So here I am the next morning, June 17th, after getting my first professional retightening during the pandemic. I'm so glad to see my consultant, and I believe that she was happy to see me as well. When I got there, I sat in my car. As I sat in my car, maybe about 2 minutes or so, I received a text saying ready. I walked around and got to the door, and there she was, Miss Flo, with her touchless thermometer, and she checked my temperature. I was wearing my mask as required. I had my phone and my keys in my hand. I immediately dropped it into a Ziploc bag that she had there for me. Gave it to me. I closed it up. I went to the restroom, washed my hands for the required amount of time, which was about 30 seconds. And then I met her in her room. The way the setup is with lock innovations, each person has their own room. Don't get to see anybody except Flo, unless when we're leaving, we pass in the hall, and that is just never happened. We went in, she started looking at my hair, then she started my retightening. She was very encouraging about what I did. I found out as she was retightening my hair that I had 2 knots and 3 combined locks, and she took care of that. I guess you can say she repaired it. The fee for this time was no more than it was in the past, so there was no additional fee for the time spent away. I have not had a retightening since March 24th. So I am now going to show you what my hair looks like now that it has been retightened. And last night I put it in some Bantu knots, and you can see my wonderful scalp. I didn't put anything on my hair last night. I was just a bit bored, I guess, and I took my time and did Bantu knots in my hair. My hair feels so good. And just like in the past, of course, there was no pain. She does not put too much tension on my hair. It was just wonderful. It was just wonderful. She didn't take like a lot of additional time to do my hair. It's usually just around 2.5 hours, and this time it was right around that same amount of time. I went in at 9 and I left. I should have looked to see exactly what time I was walking out the door, but I know I was washing my hands around 11:35, so I'll just say that I left around 11:45. Yeah. It was a great experience. It's good to get back to a little bit of what's normal. She calls my hair ombre, and that she likes the ombre effect of my hair. I must admit, I do too. I'll also show you what the back of my hair looked like right after it was completed. I don't know why I make the faces I make while I am styling my hair. I'm gonna put some water on my hand because it just seems like my hair is a bit unruly. And there it is. I would have had a more of a curlier effect if I dampened my hair before I put the Bantu knot in, but I didn't do any of that. I just did the Bantu knots before going to bed. And that is it. I'm a sister. Love my locks. I love my friends, I love my family, I love my subscribers, and I especially love God. And you know why? Because He's been so good to me. You know He's been so good to me. See you next time.